I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Skyrim Survival Mode. This challenging game mode transforms your journey through Tamriel by introducing realistic needs. You'll need to manage hunger, fatigue, and cold, making every decision about food, rest, and warmth critical. Fast travel is no longer an option, so planning your routes and understanding the terrain becomes essential. Your carry weight is also reduced by 150 points, forcing you to prioritize your inventory. To thrive in survival mode, you must constantly manage your core needs. Hunger is satisfied by eating cooked meals, which also provide temporary buffs to your stats. Fatigue requires regular sleep. Resting in a bed for at least 1 hour will grant you the rested bonus. Cold is a constant threat, especially in northern regions. Dress warmly, use torches, and seek out campfires or inns to stay warm and prevent freezing. With fast travel disabled, navigating Skyrim becomes an adventure in itself. Carriages and ferrymen are your primary means of long-distance transport between major settlements. Always plan your journeys, considering the weather and potential hazards. Carrying warm clothing, like fur armor, and a torch is crucial for surviving the colder regions. Remember to establish safe resting spots, perhaps by carrying a bedroll, to break up long treks and avoid exhaustion. Combat in survival mode demands more strategic preparation. With a reduced carry weight of 150 points, you must be selective about your gear, favoring lighter armor and essential items. Diseases are more common and debilitating, so always carry a few cure disease potions or visit shrines. Cooking a variety of meals before an expedition ensures you have enough provisions to stave off hunger. Companions can also be invaluable, helping to carry extra loot and offering support in challenging encounters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.